1/3 of your life is spent in bed, and you can rely on Protect-A-Bed to keep you safe and healthy. Create the ultimate healthy sleep zone with products that feature a viral barrier protection. These products meet the Center for Disease Control's highest level of barrier protection, meaning the fabric resists viruses passing through. They also feature our waterproof miracle membrane, are breathable, have an allergen and dust mite barrier, and are classified as a Class 1 medical device by the FDA. Creating your ultimate healthy sleep zone is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, install a mattress encasement over your mattress and box spring to defend against bed bugs, dust mites, and more. Then, cover your mattress with a mattress protector that's breathable and provides the ultimate protection from viruses, allergens, dust mites, and liquids. Finally, add pillow protection to provide the ultimate barrier in protection. For easy care, all covers and encasements are machine washable. Visit protectabed.com/healthysleepzone to learn more about our viral barrier and to create your healthy sleep zone. Sleep comfortably, sleep confidently with Protect-A-Bed.